Hey guys, I hope you're keeping well. To recap on how to make decisions, these steps will guide you to arrive at the best decision for you and help you to reduce the time you spend agonizing over your choices. 1. Be clear on your choices and the factors that will affect your choices. 2. Consider your values. What are your values? What are the things important to you in your life? 3. Talk things through. Just having a friend listen while you voice out your thoughts can help you to arrive at the right decision for you. 4. Ask for advice, particularly when it involves something you've never done before. 5. Test out your options to get a feel for what feels right and what doesn't. 6. Listen to your hopes. What outcome are you hoping for? 7. Use third-party objectivity. I explained it in my last video. And finally, trust your gut instinct. Take care, stay safe, and never stop believing in how awesome you are.